Hello guys, today we are going to learn 10 animals name in English with some colors. So let's start. Purple color, blue color, yellow color, pink color, green color, orange color, brown color, black color, light green color, red color. So let's start. D O G dog. C A T cat. C A M E L camel. Or A B I T rabbit. D O N K E Y donkey. M O N K E Y monkey. C O W cow. E L E P H A N T elephant. F O X fox. H O R S E horse. Again D O G dog. C A T cat. C A M E L camel. Or A B I T rabbit. D O N K E Y donkey. M O N K E Y monkey. C O W cow. E L E P H A N T elephant. F O X fox. H O R S E. Horse. Horse. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me, guys. Bye bye.